TikTok fail has picked my Halloween makeup. Let's do it. First up is the face. Let's see what it picks. I'm using a red lip liner to draw out the shape. Then I'm going to take my finger and start blending out that line. It doesn't have to be neat. So I did one big black line through that red, drawing on some X's, some ones throughout that line. And add in some white lines through the black. I'm going around the edges with a darker red eyeshadow. What's it going to do? So we got to put black on the inner corner and on the outer corner of my eyelid. Add some red eyeshadow right in the center of my eyelid. And then doing the exact same colors on the bottom. Time for eyeliner. Come on. I'm adding the black eyeliner and I've done my wing. Add in the little devil tail. Spooky freckles. Come on. I'm just adding some grey eyeshadow right here on my nose. Adding some freckles. I'm trying to draw on the little sword emojis. They're not the best, but it will do. Piercings. What's it gonna be? Painting my fake piercing on. Time for lips. Adding pink lipstick. Who's ready to see the end results? Here's the end result. Honest thoughts, what do you guys think? Is this a cute or a fail? It's not my best work, but it's alright. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.